Welcome to MCC Blue Rivers Learning Services. This semester, free tutoring is being offered in a virtual environment for our students. Math tutoring is being offered using a platform called Discord. All other subjects, such as writing, chemistry, biology, etc., will be using Zoom technology. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to access this free tutoring. On your screen, you can view some instructions that also should have been posted to your Blackboard accounts. For math, I'll be showing you how to create a free Discord account and then actually access the Discord tutoring server. For other subjects, I will show you how to access the proper Zoom channel. The free virtual math tutoring offered through the Blue River campus will be done using a software application called Discord. The program can be downloaded as an app on a mobile device, or the software can be downloaded on a computer. You can even use it as a web-based version simply by typing it into your browser. Regardless of how you choose to access Discord, you have to have a Discord account, which is free, and this tutorial will show you how to create your Discord account. In order to do that, go to Discord app, that's D-I-S-C-O-R-D A-P-P, discordapp.com, and hit enter. When you do that, go ahead and hit the button to open Discord, and it's going to prompt you to enter a username. You want to choose something here that you're comfortable with folks seeing on the server. So you could use your actual name, you could use a nickname, you could use your first name, just whatever you want folks to see you as on the server. And then hit go. And then it will prompt you to enter your birthday. So go ahead and enter that information. And then it's going to ask you to go ahead and claim your account. What you do there is you need to enter a valid email address and then select a password to type in. If there's already an account tied to that email address, it won't let you proceed, which would mean that you would actually already have an account. So enter your email, select a password, and then hit claim account. And then once it's done, it will send you a confirmation link to that email address to activate your account. Pretty straightforward. And then once you have the Discord account set up, the next step will be able to get you into the tutoring server. Now that you have successfully created a Discord account, let's get access to the tutoring server. In order to do that, you can either click on a link that should have been given to you by your math instructor, or you can simply go to your web browser and type in the following, which I also had printed out on that sheet at the beginning of this video. The web address is discord.gg, all lowercase, again, discord.gg / capital X, lowercase p, capital B, lowercase p, lowercase j, capital C, lowercase x. Once you have that typed into your web browser, go ahead and hit enter, and you should see an invitation to join the server. Simply click on accept invitation. When you do that, you should be prompted to enter at the bottom of the screen. It says you do not have permission to view the message history. In that box there, you need to type in your name and your student ID number. Once that's complete and you hit enter, a tutor behind the scenes will see your request to join the server, and they will grant you access, which may just take a moment. Once you've been granted access, you may get a response back from a tutor, and you should see, if you look in the left portion of your screen, all those icons over there are various text conversations or servers. For example, if you are a former Discord user, you might have a lot of servers you have access to. If this is your first time, you probably only have access to the tutoring server, which is that blue MCC circle. If you click on that blue MCC circle, it will show you all of the available text and voice channels to communicate with the tutor. So for example, if you scroll through those on the left side of your screen, if you're a college algebra student, that would be Math 120. You can type on the Math 120 and then it will pull up a text box for you to type. You can let a tutor know that you're there. You can type a question. You and the tutor can move into voice channels. You can do screen sharing, etc. So there's really a lot of versatility. The main thing is just to get you into the server that first time. So again, once you go through this process, you will be in the server and you won't have to redo this each time. You'll simply be able to log into Discord and then click on that blue MC circle on the left and initiate your conversations with the math tutors. I hope this was helpful. As mentioned, all free tutoring other than math will be offered using Zoom. In order to get to the tutoring location, you can either click on the hyperlink for tutoring that was provided to you by your instructor, or you can go straight out to the Zoom website, which is what I'll demonstrate on this video. So to get out to the Zoom website, you can go to zoom.us or just type Zoom into your search engine and it will take you out to the Zoom website. To join the tutoring server, you're going to click on Join a Meeting. And when you do that, it will prompt you for a specific meeting ID. Now, this meeting ID should have also been provided by your instructor. It was on the preliminary sheet at the beginning of this video. And I'll tell you here, it's actually 950-4433-7003. I'm going to be typing a separate one in for my training video today. So do not use this one you see me typing. You want to use the one I just mentioned. Again, the one you're going to use is 950-4433-7003. And then you will click Join Meeting. If Zoom isn't up already, it'll prompt you to open Zoom, which we can do that by clicking. And then once you do that, it's going to ask you for the password. And that password you're going to be using is 163931. And then once you have that entered, you click Join Meeting. And what that will do is that will bring you into the tutoring location where you are going to be greeted by a host who will ask you for some information. So you want to be ready for that. They're going to ask you for your name, your student ID number, and the class that you're taking, and potentially your instructor's name as well. So just be prepared for that so you can provide that. So we'll hit Join Meeting and we should be welcomed here by a host. I'm going to join with video, which means they're going to be able to see me when I join. So this is just a generic screen that welcomes you to the studio, and we should have a host welcoming us here momentarily.
Hi, I'm Donita.
Hello.
Can you hear me and see me okay?
Yes, I can.
If at any time you can't, there's a chat bubble down at the bottom of your screen. If you would, click on that and let me know that you cannot hear me or see me.
Okay.
And then we'll work through and see what we can do to get it working again. That chat bubble is also going to come in handy. I'm going to need your name, your student ID number, and the professor that you're here for, a copy of your assignment sheet, if at all possible. And if you could enter that in that chat, that way we can get that down and get that logged so we can keep track of what's going on here.
Okay, so I pulled up the chat box so I can type anything in there and you'll be able to see that. And then we can also correspond over video.
Absolutely.
Great. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
That concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions or encounter problems with access to the tutoring, please email us at br.learningservices@mcckc.edu. Good luck with your studies, and we are looking forward to serving you in our virtual tutoring labs.